Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Gilba Kintara from Group 12, Class A, Informatics Engineering, State Islamic University. On this video, me and my group will give a journal review with a title, The Use of Technology in English Language Teaching by Al-Qahtani Mofareh A. King Khalid Military Academy, Civilian Studies, English Department, Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. And the abstract is, the application of modern technology represents a significant advance in contemporary English language teaching methods. Most contemporary English language teachers now actively incorporate a range of technology aids designed to facilitate optimum teaching delivery. The current research therefore addresses various elements of the technology used in English teaching by devising innovative curricula, which harnesses recent scientific and technical development, equip instructors with the technological skills to ensure effective and quality subject delivery, provide technical media such as audiovisual and modern technical programs, and create student-teacher platforms which maximize positive language learning outcomes. For the purpose of the study, the relevant literature has been reviewed. Technology defined linguistically and conventionally. The correlation with modern teaching skills fully evaluated. Okay, and next the background. And background is the use of modern technology in teaching English is broadly understood to encompass an innovative application of methods, tools, materials, device, system, and energies which are directly relevant to. According to prevailing pedagogical theories, in utilizing the learning potential of technology, students are better able to acquire and hone their language knowledge and skills. The use of technology in teaching English consolidates the integrated view of the modern means system association with other components which benefit students by achieving the required results. The modern technology in English language teaching has therefore become indispensable, especially in the wake of unprecedented development across numerous fields and disciplines. And also, many such programs are specifically English teaching while simultaneously increasing learning, understanding, and attainment of English language skill.
Hi, my name is Faisal Arif and I will explain the question in the journal. The journal have many research questions and the question is 1. Are there an adequate number of sufficiently qualified and suitably trained with the use modern technology in teaching English language in the Saudi context? 2. How effectively do English language learners respond and are interactive with the use of modern technology? 3. Is all modern technological means available to support a successful English language teaching in Saudi context? 4. How effective is the use of modern technology in teaching English? 5. What are the expected outcomes achieved on the ground through the use of modern technology in English language teaching? Next, the method. The research follow each of the following methodologies. 1. The research applied the descriptive method and experimental monitoring in order to fully integrate the study question and devise appropriate solution. 2. Based on the determination of the time and spatial period, the application of historical methodology based on an analysis of the element and reason which gave rise to basic research problem, and attendant challenge further assess and evaluation of present and future developmental impact. 3. The research also applied experimental methodology which is based on studying the impact of change placed on the research problem where an variable is fixed. Next, result. The research results support the uselessness of traditional English language teaching method. This is evident in the studies conducted, where it was found that between 75% and 85% of students confirmed the results, and 60% to 80% of students are dissatisfied with the traditional method. In contrast, students are more enthusiastic and interactive when using modern technology to absorb English by more than 90%. According to statistics conducted on random sample students, including private schools that adopt the most modern means of number of technology and public schools that lack other volunteers outside the parameter of the interaction of all students from both the results of the analysis of student performance show their 75% to 95% achieve high results in their attainment in English. Unlike those who are taught by traditional means, their achievement rates are very low.
Conclusion: in summary, it's clear that despite union export the to modernize traditional method of teaching, English residual practice should be passed out and replaced by the use of available technology on appropriate computer, smart device, display, audiovisual materials, and electronic approaches. The purpose about traditional and modern technology to maximize students' English skills and provide a space where learning can be best facilitated. One of the ultimate goals of using modern technology is to actively engage them students in language learning and motivate them to acquire English language skills in a practical and realistic way. In my opinion, this journal is very easy to understand what and other things, and also the sequence from abstract to conclusion is organized so that the conclusion of this article are very related to the others. Then the context of the choice of sentence, the sentence question in this journal is very good, so the answer is enough to explain the purpose of what this journal explains. Maybe this is all I can respond to from the journal. I think maybe that's we can explain and review about this journal. Maybe enough for me and my team. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.